In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account for Lego. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and then head on over to lego.com. Now, once you're here at the official website for Lego, you'll be greeted by a page that looks similar to this. And if we look at the right-hand side here, it says here, become a member or shop now. So what we need to do is click on become a member. And then it'll say create a Lego account or sign in with your Lego account. So start by creating your Lego account or signing with an existing account below. And remember to complete the step 2 to register as a Lego Inside member as well. So now from here we need to click on the blue create a Lego account button. And then it'll come to this page here. It says create your Lego account. And we've got a couple of different ways we can create an account here. So from here we can create an account using our Facebook account, Google account, Apple or Epic Games account. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on the Google account. And now I'm going to choose my Google account here, Tutorial Wiz. So what this is going to do, this is going to create an account and log me in at the same time. So email or username, I'm going to use Tutorial Wiz 23. Then on the next page, I've got to fill out my birth date. So I'm going to quickly do that now. And then I'm going to click continue. Now we've got to put in my last name, so I'm going to chuck that in there now. Get rid of that here. Yes, create an account. And now from here they're going to send you a verification code, or activation code. So we need to go to our emails. So I'm just going to quickly jump there now. All right, I'm inside my emails here, and this is the one I'm going to click onto, Lego account. So this is my activation code. So I'm going to copy this and then paste this here like so, and then click continue. And then you'll be greeted by this page that says get personal news and offers. So you can click here to sign me up or skip. So basically what this is saying is I would like to receive marketing offers and news. And then I understand I can opt out, so I'm just going to click skip for now. And then you get personal experience. You can sign me up to this. If you consent, we'll use your preferences, personal info, and other data to make our Lego experiences more relevant to you. I'm just going to skip that for now and skip that as well. And then it will say just a moment while we redirect you. And now, as you can see on the top right hand corner, I have successfully created my account up here, Tutorial Wiz. So now I'm inside my account and I've successfully created an account in lego.com.